In this way, my Lord, you have appeared in different incarnations, as human beings, as animals, as a great saintly person, as demigods, and as a fish and a tortoise. In this way you maintain the whole creation in different planetary systems and kill the demoniac principles in every age. My Lord, you therefore protect the principles of religion. In the age of Kali, you do not assert yourself as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Therefore, you are known as Tri-Yuga, or the Lord who appears in 3 yugas.
Itang nitijak rishi deva dasavatari lokan vibhavayasi hamsi jagat pratipa dharmang mahapurusha pasi juvan vrittam channak kalo jadabhavas trijugotha sattam. So, here is a very specific statement about Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, his avatar. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the same Supreme Personality of Godhead, but he is Channa. Channa means covered, not directly, because he has appeared as a devotee. Avatar, Rupa Goswami has found out that he is avatar of Krishna. All the devotees, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, Rupa Goswami, and the Shastra, the Upanishad, Mahabharata, and every Sadhu Shastra, the avatar should be confirmed by great devotees, personalities, and must be corroborated with the statement in the Shastra. So, here is another statement in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Directly it is stated in the 11th canto, you know, Krishna Varnam Tisha Krishnam Sangapanga Supasadam Jaggai Sankirtanai Prayi Jajanti Sumena. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, when he was being described before King Nimi by Kaurvajan Muni, the different incarnation in different millenniums. Jugadharma Vityam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is also described by Vrindavan Das Thakur, Jugadharma Palu. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is described here as Channa Kalo. In the Kali Yuga, he is not appearing as other incarnations, not like Nrsimhadev or many, Vamandev, Lord Ramchandra. He is appearing as a devotee. Why? That this is the most magnanimous avatar. People are so foolish, they could not understand Krishna when Krishna said, Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam. They took it, who is this person ordering like that? Sarvadharman. What right? That is our material disease. If somebody is ordered to do something, he protests. Who are you to order? This is the position. God himself, Krishna, what can he say? Huh? He orders, the Supreme Person, Supreme Being, he must order. He is the Supreme Controller. He must order. That is God. But we are so foolish that when God orders that you do this, we take it as oh, with this man. He is ordering like that. And sarva dharman parityajya, giving up everything. Why shall I give? Huh? Sarva dharman, I have created so many dharmas. Ism, I shall give it up. Why shall I give it up? Therefore, the same Lord came again as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Today is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's appearance day. So we must discuss this very thoroughly. The Rupa Goswami understood it. Therefore we have to go through Guru. Rupa Goswami is our Guru. Narottam Das Thakur said, Rupa Raghunatho pade hai veyakuti. Pabe hama bujhavo seju. If we want to understand the transcendental position of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, then we have to go through Guru Parampara system. Otherwise it is not possible. Rupa Raghunatha pade hai veyakuti. Unless we accept this process, unless we submit, this whole process is submission. Krishna wants this. Sarva dharman parityajya. So, if you want to approach Krishna, you have to become very submissive. And to whom? Krishna is not here. To whom I shall submit? No, to his devotee, to his representative. The business is submission. So, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared this day for giving mercy to the fallen souls who are so foolish they cannot take to Krishna consciousness. He is personally teaching how to take to Krishna consciousness. And that is this Kirtan. You'll find you have seen the picture in our teachings on Lord Chaitanya that in Prayag he was engaged in chanting and Rupa Goswami is offering his obeisance. That is the first meeting with Rupa Goswami, and he composed this verse, Namo Mahabhadanaya Krishna Prema Pradayate.
Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya
Yes. So this is Charnavata. He is Krishna, he has come to give you Krishna Prem, but he is acting like a Krishna devotee. This is covered. He is not commanding now, you do this. Yes, he is commanding do this, but in different way. Because people misunderstood who is this person commanding. Even some so-called rascal scholar, yes, said it's too much to demand. They have remarked like that. Yes, sophisticated person, they are thinking like that. But our process is to submit. Unless we submit, there is no hope of advancing in Krishna consciousness. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teaching. Tinadapi siri sunichena tarorapi sahisnuna amanina manadena ita. If you want to chant Hare Krishna mantra, then you have to take this principle, Tinadapi sunichena. You have to become humbler than the grass. Grass, it is lying on the street, everyone is trampling down, you never protest. In the lawn, Everyone is trampling the grass. There is no protest. Tarorapi sahisnuna, and tolerant than the tree. The tree is giving us so much help. It is giving us fruit, flower, leaves, and when there is scorching heat, shelter also, sit down underneath. So beneficial, still we cut. As soon as I like, I cut it down. But there is no protest. The tree does not say, I have given you so much help and you are cutting me. No. Tolerant. Yes. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has selected Tarorapi Sahisnuna and Amanina Manadena. For oneself, one should not expect any respectful position, but the devotee should offer all respect to anyone. Amanina manadena kirtaniya sada. If we acquire this qualification, then we can chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra without any disturbance. This is the qualification. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to teach these principles. He is Krishna himself. There is no Chaitanyat Krishnat Paratattam Paramya. Paratatta, the supreme truth, is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The supreme truth is Krishna. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not different from Krishna. Na Chaitanyat Krishnat Paratattam Paramya. Jadadvaita Brahma Upanishadi. The Brahma Advaita monist Brahma, which is described in the Upanishad, Jat, that factor, Jadadvaita Brahma Upanishadi, Paramatma and the Paramatma, Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan. This is the three features of the Supreme Person, absolute truth. Vadanti tat tattavidas satyam jadgyanam advayam brahmeti paramatmeti bhagavaniti sabda. The absolute truth is one, advaya, there is no difference. But he, according to our qualification of understanding the absolute truth, he appears as Brahma, impersonal Brahma. He appears as localized Paramatma, super soul. And he appears as the beloved Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna. According to the receiver, Jidhathamang prapadyante. That is it. If you want to understand the absolute truth as impersonal Brahma, you realize that. If you want to realize the absolute truth as Paramatma, everywhere, all pervading, you can realize him. And if you want to see him as the most beloved, then you can also have it. That is the meaning of Jijathamang purpose. You can realize the absolute truth. Anyway, he is prepared to manifest himself as you desire. The as you desire does not mean that also he is present, because here it is stated that Neti Jag Rishi Deva Jasavata. According to the evolutionary process, so there was water all over the universe. So at that time, Dasavatar, Kesabadhita Meena Sarira, Jaya Jagadisa. Similarly, he became tortoise, then he became Nrsimhadev, he became Vamandev, so many. That is going on. Nitya Lila. Don't think the avatar comes only to the human society. No. But he appears amongst the animals, among the insects, among the trees. Therefore in the Bhagavad Gita there is statement, among the trees I am this tree, among the animals I am this animal, among the persons, among the fighters I am this, I am this. He is everything. But just to point out a few, in another place he says, Rasoham Apsukaunti. He is prepared to be appreciated by you in any condition of life. If you take his instruction how to realize it, and if you manufacture your own way, no, that is not possible. Even if you are most ordinary man, still you can realize it. There is no difficulty. How? Krishna said, Rasoham Apsukauntiya. My dear Arjuna, I am the taste of the water. Now who does not drink water? Anyone. The animal also drinks water, and the human being also drinks water. But the animal cannot understand God, although God is there in the water. The man can understand, because he is human being, therefore a human being is different from animal. If you remain like animal, we are drinking water, but we are not realizing Krishna, then you are animal. This is animal. And if we drink water, everyone drinks water many times. So many times we can remember Krishna. And that is the process of devotional smaranam. Savanam kirtanam Vishnu smaranam. So every time if you drink water and remember Krishna, then you are on the devotional service. Where is the difficulty? But the rascals will not take it. That is the difficulty. Where is the difficulty? Everyone drinks water. And as soon as you drink water when you are thirsty, and the taste of the water appeases your thirst. So, if you simply remember that in the Bhagavad Gita it is stated that this taste is Krishna, then immediately remember Krishna. And as soon as you remember Krishna, it is devotional service, smaranam. Where is the difficulty? Where is the difficulty for becoming Krishna conscious? Rasoham apsukaunteya pravasmi sasisudjaya. I am the illumination of the moon and the sun. So who does not see the moonshine and the sunshine? In daytime you see the sunshine, and then at night you see the moonshine. So if you see the sunshine and moonshine, and if you remember Krishna's instruction that this sunshine, moonshine, I am, then where is the difficulty? Rasoham apsukauntiya prabhasmi sasisudaya pranava sarvavedeshu. Now if you think, I am so learned Vedantist, why shall I study the sunshine, moonshine and what? I shall chant Om. Rascal, this Om I am. You are so big, Vedantist, you chant Om, but that I am. Pranava sarva Vedeshu. Every Vedic mantra is chanted after the vibration of Omkar. Om Tad Vishnu Paranam Padam Sada Vashanti. This is the Vedic mantra, all this. Everybody. So either you become Vedantist or ordinary human being, does not know anything, you can realize Krishna. There is no difficulty. So Krishna taught everything for becoming Krishna conscious, but still we are so rascal we could not understand Krishna. Therefore Krishna came again. This rascal failed to understand me. Now I shall teach how to become a devotee of Krishna by my personal behavior. That is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. By his person. Don't think that because he is playing the part, just like somebody is giving massage to my body, so he is not giving properly. So immediately I take his hand and I began to give massage. Do like this. Do like this. That does not mean I am a sire or I am servant of the person. Similarly, don't forget that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna nahe onno. You are worshipping Radha Krishna and there is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's deity also. There are some parties, they protest why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's deity should be placed along with Krishna. But they do not know Sri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna nahe onno. It is not different. Sri Krishna Chaitanya is Krishna. It is confirmed by the Shastra. Here it is said, Channa Kalau Jad Abhavat. In the Kali Yuga, directly he does not appear as the incarnation like Nrsimhadev or Vamandev or Lord Ramchandra. Yes. But as devotee, he did the same incarnation. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Abhavat. Therefore, sometimes we are called as three yugas. There are four yugas, but he is known because in three yugas he appears distinctly, and in the fourth yuga, in the Kali Yuga, as devotee. That he is called three yugas. So, today is the birthday or appearance day of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and this is the birthplace, this Mahaprabhu, and you are all present here. This is good fortune. Always remember Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and chant Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda. This will make your life perfect. Thank you very much.
Krishna Kirtana Ganana Tanapano Premamritam Manidhi Dhira Dhira Jana Priyau Priyakarau Nirmasanau Pujitau Sri Chaitanya Kripa Bharau Bhubi Bhuva Bharavahantarakam Bande Rupa Sanatana Raghajagam Sri Jiva Gopalakam Krishna Kirtana Ganana Tanaparam Premamritam Banidhi Dhira Dhira चिर जन प्रिय प्रियकरौ निर्मत्सरौ पूजितौ नाना शास्त्र विचारणैक निपुणं सद्धर्म संस्थापकं लोकानां हितकारिणं त्रिभुवने मन्नं शरण्याकरौ नाना शास्त्र विचारणैक निपुणं सद्धर्म संस्थापकं लोकानां हितकारिणं त्रिभुवने मन्नं शरण्याकरं राधा कृष्ण पदारविन्द भजनानन्देन मत्वालिकौ वन्दे रूप सनातनौ रघुजुगौ श्रीजीव गोपालकौ कृष्ण कीर्तन गान नर्तन परौ प्रेमामृतं बनिधि श्री चैतन्य कृपाभरौ भुवि भुव भारावहन्तारकौ वन्दे रूप सनातनौ रघुजुगौ श्रीजीव गोपालकौ श्री गौरांग गुणानुवर्णन विधौ सध्यासमिद्धार्नितं पापत्रापनिकृन्तनं तनभितां गोविन्द